On site at Château, thanks for joining us for the latest construction update. Bridgestone projects in partnership with Westbourne Constructions have proudly reached a major milestone. I'll hand over to Pat for the latest news.
Thanks, Scott. Hi there, everyone. As Scott said, we've reached a major milestone on the projects. The roofs of all 4 buildings have now been poured. The goal moving forward now will be to get the building watertight, start getting the facade done and pull in the scaffold down.
Join us for a tour of the latest construction update. Château is on track for completion 3rd quarter this year. Thank you to Westbourne Constructions for doing such a meticulous and ongoing great job. We'll see you at the display suite in Castle Towers for more information.